Now let's move on to talking about time clauses with simple past and time clauses with past progressive. Time clauses help show the order of events in complex sentences that show two or more past events. And just a quick refresher, a clause is a group of connected words that have a subject and a verb. It's different from a phrase. Phrases have just a subject or just a verb. And a clause has a subject and a verb. A complex sentence is a sentence with two or more clauses. Okay, so a couple things to remember with time clauses are, one, the meaning of the adverb that introduces the time clause, and two, the placement and the punctuation of the time clause. And you have a couple of options here. One, you can have the main clause and then the time clause right after that. Or you can have the time clause first with a comma and then the main clause. Okay, so when I'm giving examples here, just remember that you can flip these around. As long as you have the comma, you use the right placement and punctuation of the time clause. Okay, let's look at some of these adverbs that introduce time clauses now. After introduces the first event. After we bought our tickets, we walked into the theater. Before introduces a second event. Before we took our seats, we waited for our friends. As soon as or once introduces a first event when the second event happens immediately after. The movie started as soon as the lights turned off. As you're looking at these, think about which event happens first and second, okay? And how does the adverb and the time clause show which one happens first or second? Until means up to that time, and it indicates the second event. The audience was silent until the film ended. When introduces the first event, it means at almost the same time. When it was over, we went out for ice cream. Now let's look at time clauses with simple past and past progressive when we're using them together. Use when or while to introduce ongoing actions that use past progressive. While we were choosing our ice cream flavors, I got a phone call. It means that choosing our ice cream flavors was an ongoing action, and got a phone call is a completed action that happened during that ongoing action. Use simple past to describe an action that interrupts an ongoing action, and you can use when to introduce the interruption. My son was doing his homework when he heard a strange noise on the roof. The ongoing action was doing his homework, and the interruption is he heard a strange noise on the roof. It interrupted his ongoing action. Use past progressive in both clauses with when or while to talk about two actions in progress at the same time. While I was driving home, I was wondering about the noise. Okay, these were two ongoing actions happening at the same time. Quick note, in writing, when is more common than while. In speaking, we use both pretty often. That's it for time clauses with simple past and past progressive. The last video, is about used to and would. Take a break and come back when you're ready.